Okay, as you see now, PQ square plus R. So we already have got the value of P. P is actually 9. Okay, Q. The value of Q is 2/3. Okay, and we have to take it square because it was square plus R and all is equal to 5. So let's take the square of it. So 9 multiplied by 2 square is equal to 4 and 3 square is equal to 9. So plus R is equal to 5. From here we can easily find out that 9 is cancelled out. So we are left with 4 plus R is equal to 5. Or we can say R would be equal to 5 minus 4. That would be equal to 1. Right? Now we have got all three values. P is equal to 9. Q is equal to 2/3 and R is equal to 1. So from here now we have to find the coordinates of the minimum point. So the coordinates of the minimum point are of the minimum point. Coordinates of the minimum point are given in form of this P and here x minus q whole square plus R. So we know the values of these. So let's put the value of q. P is x minus q is 2/3 and R is positive 1. So from here what we have come to know is that the coordinates of the minimum points are h comma k. So h is this whole, we have to find h from here. When we will put x minus 2 over 3 equal to 0, we will get to know about the value of h. So h would be actually equal to minus 2 over 3 will become, go on that side, it will become 2/3. So this is actually equal to h. And when we talk about k is equal to the y coordinate, that is positive 1. So we can say the coordinates of the minimum point are 2/3 and comma 1. These are the coordinates of the minimum point. I hope you people are clear about it. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.